See, and this one use OEM PCB from cluster, so lots of functions can work. First, to show you the main menu.这里怎么是中文的？刚才
那个是我的蓝牙呀，这是蓝牙。
This is Bluetooth, so it's Chinese. 那蓝牙这个是跟手机相关吗？
对。
Depends on your phone language. Now do the switching for the gear. Show you. And the traffic function I show you here.
我不认识了。
慢一点。
这什么字啊
？Traffic 上一个。上一个不是刚刚那个往上面点2个。你还是到选项吗？慢一点啊。这是这个不要。different options。
是吗？
你看这 lighting 是再换。Vehicle。
这是限速是不是？
限速应该是。停。And you can check it's different like other traffic cluster. This one support. Okay. And now change to the USB audio. 那个对改到那个音频那去我看一下。Now this is not the newest software, so today the radio and the GPS cannot display to you. But later when we do the upgrading, I will show you. If original has GPS, we can show the single traffic information like the HUD. You can see the door indication. Oh, no problem. And the engine, you can check red. So here is a simple instruction for the new device. If you are interested, keep following our channel. We will keep do videos. ECO 巡航有没有啊？它这个车？
续航还是
巡航
？AC 巡航没有，这个车低配的应该没有的。
靠 ，ACC 都没有啊。Okay, so today this is the video. Thank you for watching.